Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my videos. Thank you. We are looking to status. You see, the price is going from, let's look from 0.02 to 10 cent. This is a good sign. So you see, we touching this here, touching this line here one time. Yeah. And now the question is the question is if we have power to the top side. Yeah. So I think something like that will happen because we have here a resistant. So I think we have also left shoulder head and the right shoulder. If you look to Bitcoin price, this was Matic. We take this here. This is our Bitcoin price. You see we have a channel. We have this positive channel to the top side. So I think if you look to this here, we have the possibility to go to the top side. And now we making here a hammer. Yeah. If this fulfilled, then we'll see here higher prices. And if you look to status, you see we are also in a positive channel here. And I think this spike tell us, okay, the price will go to the top side. And I think we will see something like that. If you look to this here, we have power to 14 cent. After we reach 14 cent, I think we will go here a little bit down, because if you look to Bitcoin price, do you see this? If we go to these areas, it can be possible that we not have enough power to go to the top side here. Yeah, and then I think we have to go to the downside. We have a good support, the channel. Yeah, if this fulfilled, then we can stay at this channel lines. Yeah, and then we have opportunity to go to the top side. So let's look to status back. Do you see this? Yeah, we touch this line and go back to 9 cent. You see we touching this, but I think we have also at this point the possibility to stay a little bit more. Yeah, I think we will go to the top side, then stay at these levels a little bit, and then we go to the top side, because the reason is, look at that, we touching this one time, two time, three time, maybe this fourth time we can go to the top side. Yeah, but we have to look. Yeah, maybe this is also a touching, or this. Yeah, then we have to look, but this case I think is more realistic than other possibilities. Yeah, if you go here, if we go here in this area, then you see we have another resistance. But for me is status has a lot of resistance. Yeah, I don't like so much resistance. Other cryptos, they have also 3 4 levels, but you see we're going from 9 cent to 13 cent, 4 cent. In other cryptos, if you go to the top side, you have here for example 13 cent, and the next resistance line is in 30 cent or 40 cent. Yeah, so in this direction. So I think we have here a little bit closer resistance lines. Yeah, let's look. So let's look to Bitcoin back, and you see we are at this point. I will zoom in this, and you see clearly we have here very good formations. The price is not falling in this area, so I think it makes sense that the price will go to the top side here. Yeah. After we go to the top side, then we will make something like that, and then we will go to the top side. You can add this here in these levels and stay in this area. So if this happened here, then we have a really good situation to go to the top side. Yeah. Look that. To stay at these levels, go back and go in these areas. So let's look to status, and you see we have, I zoom in the chart, one moment please. So if you look to this here, we have also a good situation. Yeah, I think we will see something like that. The price will go to the top side, stay at these levels, and go even to the top side more. Yeah. So it makes sense that we see something like that. So when you see here also a good formation, look at that. We have here a resistance line, and you see how much we're touching this 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, over 10 times here. And I think after that, if we can break this, we see something like that. We'll see something like that, and you see from the formation, they have enough power to go to the top side. Yeah, I think maybe the 10 cent is also possible to see this. And you see, if we can, for this formation, reach the 10 cent, then after that, you see we're touching this how much time? 1 time, 2 time. Let's look. Yeah, makes sense because you're touching 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and then forget this. If we go directly to the top side, then we can say make something like that, yeah. And then it makes sense. Yes, this makes sense because you see here 1 time, 2 time, then you have something like that, and you have here very good formation. So this is already possible. And then we go to the top side, stay here at this level and go to the top side. So have a nice day. See you later.